Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Your door breaking?
Man, finally, it just came off.
Oh man,
Just a little bit ago. Same clothes as before.
could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Franky, and I have 812. That one's SA 302.
Yep.
On 212Ks.
Okay.
I did on a bass show, I did a 155 at 36 hertz. But on music, I'm roughly like 153, 154.
So it's still about mid-50s all around.
Yeah.
Awesome. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, fourth order. I'm happy with it. I changed up the amps. Last time I think you saw it with they had two 8Ks on it.
Yeah.
And I switched it up to the 212Ks.
Have you dialed this in at all?
I've been messing with it here and there. That's where I got like the 36.
Yes, sir.
I made it longer. You
Okay.
get a little bit lower.
Yeah.
So,
What are the subs rated at, power-wise? Have you...
those ones, I want to say 2,000 RMS, 4,000
Yeah.
feet. So I usually try to pick a number in between that. Those
Yeah.
two. Tweak RMS.
Have you clamped it at all to see how much power we're putting on it?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I need to get one of those things.
Yes, sir.
I need to get like the thing that connects on the bass.
Yeah. Yeah, you can clamp the power on the arc. Yep. Joker system.
Yep.
Awesome.
I keep on changing it up every year.
Hey, that's how that bass sound life. Keep it interesting. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Franky system at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Definitely impressive 2-song bass demo we're going to be getting to today. A lot of power on tap, and he has two 12Ks. I didn't find out if they were wired at half ohm or 1 ohm. Let's just assume they're at 1 ohm on each of the 4 subs. Those subs are pretty impressive to handle this much power. If you noticed, he has a Joker theme. I've actually posted a few other videos of his prior systems where he had a 4th order prior to this, and he also had, if I recall, a walled system as well. So he's done a couple of different systems, and it seems to like the 4th orders for really good bandwidth, gets windy, and meter's pretty good as well, and it's a good musical response. So be sure to comment what you like about his system and hit the like button. So there is 2 other subs you could not really see based on the camera view. I did kind of poke my camera in, but I don't always get the best angle shot. Sorry about that. There is 8 12-inch subs in here. And these things are rated at 2,000 watts RMS, I'm pretty sure he said. It looks like he has like a lifted system to be able to move his vehicle as well. I don't know much about that side. I only know audio side, and a big lithium bank to support this. So a total of 24,000 watts on 8 12-inch subs. 2-song bass demo we're getting to now. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos on my channel every day, and enjoy this impressive 5-minute demo. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
talking like that, you gon' have to fuck something. Ask where the money at. You ain't talking about nothing. You ain't talking about nothing.
Thank you for the demo.
Oh, no problem.
Yes, sir. The Joker system.
Yep.
Awesome.
I keep on changing it up every year.
Hey, that's how they sound life.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.